Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to install Data Loader in Salesforce. To start, open your internet browser and head on over to developer.salesforce.com and make sure you're logged in. Once on the website, hover to the left corner and then go to Installing Data Loader and then click on Install Data Loader on Windows. Once you are here, click this link over here. Then, there are steps given out by the website. First, let's open and click on the link and then scroll down. In here, when you scroll down, look for the button that says Download. Then click on the 4 highlighted word. This will now redirect you to another part of the website. In here, let's scroll down and then look for Azul Zulu builds of OpenJDK. Click on Download, then scroll down. Then in here, look for a button that is most compatible with your OS or your PC. Once you're here, click on the second button that says Any and then click on the drop down. Then in here, click on Scientific Linux. If you're using Linux, if you're using Windows, scroll down, then look for Windows. Then in here, the website will show you viable options. Then make sure on the last drop down it says JDK. Then in here, you can scroll down and choose. In any of this compatible, click on Download, then search for .zip or .msi, depending on which one is compatible. Then download the data loader. First, you will need to download JDK MSI. Then after, download Data Downloader. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.